Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 important input and output shell redirection in Linux operating system. Using this we can perform our daily Linux and Unix operations. In Unix and Linux operating system, standard in, standard out, standard error handled by file descriptor. You can see here the file descriptor, each file having the duplicate entry of the numeric value, that is non-negative value, standard error having the 2, and standard in having the 0, and standard out having the 1. So in Unix and Linux operating system, this all the three is handled by the non-numeric values. These are the important redirection symbol in shell we are going to use today's session, and this is for this I have displayed for your reference. Now we can start our technical discussion. Step 1, we'll learn about read input. For example, cat EOF. I'm reading the input. For example, welcome to my channel, and type EOF, then enter. So here I am using the less than symbol, double less than symbol for the reading the input. Next, step number 2, we'll learn about redirect output. So using the greater than symbol, we can redirect our output into the file or printable output. For example, cat file something, and I can use greater than symbol to new file txt. Now I can carry the new file. So here I am using the greater than symbol for the redirecting. What it will do, it will just override the file. So next redirection would be the pipe symbol. So using pipe, we can take output from one program and send to the another program as a input. For example, using the pipe symbol, I'm displaying this content of the file in the alphabetical order. You can see here, this is the output of this operator. Step number 4, I'm executing the command. If you see here, temp/test. Here I'm getting the two kind of result. One is standard error, another one is standard out. So I want to redirect both the result into the single file. For that I am going to show you few commands or few methods how to achieve that. You can see here, using this any one of the command we can achieve, like we can redirect standard out and standard error in the same file. Let me execute the first command and see the result. Now carry the output file and see the content of the file. Yeah, so it's just like redirecting both the standard error and standard out into the same file. It will not append, so it's just like overwriting the file. Step number 5, appending standard out and standard error in same file. Using this below mentioned any one of the command, we can achieve our result. For example, let me execute the first command and see the result file. So my result file is file.txt. Let me carry that file. Yeah, we can see in the same file the result has been updated. Let me execute second command also and see the result. Now again view the result file. Yeah, my both standard out and standard error appending on the same file. Step number 6, redirect standard out and standard error in different files. For example, I am executing the same command. I am storing standard out in the file.txt and the standard error in the error.txt. Let me execute the command and see the result. Let me view the out file.out file. Here only output will be stored. Let me carry the error file. You can see here only error is stored. So these are the method. Using this we can achieve our result, like redirecting standard out and standard error in different files. Next, appending the standard error and standard out in two different files. So in this case, the error and standard out will be appended in the two different files. Let me execute this command 2 times and see the result. Let me carry the file. You can see the result has been, the standard out has been appended in the file.txt. Let me carry the error file. We can see the standard error has been appended in the error.txt file. So we can achieve this using these 3 commands, our result. Next, step number 8, discard only the standard out. While executing the command, I'm getting the both the result like error and the standard out. Here I'm only going to discard or truncate the standard out. So using this below listed any one of the command we can achieve. We can see here I am only getting the standard error. Same thing also we can achieve using this. Let me get this file. You can see I am only getting the standard error. Step number 9. So using this example, we are only going to truncate or discard the standard error. Let me execute this command and we can see I am getting the two kind of results, standard error and standard out. Now I only want to print the standard out, but I don't want to print the standard error. For that we can achieve using this any one of the command. Let me execute this command also and see the result and see the text file.txt result. So here only I am getting the standard out, but my standard error has been truncated. Next, step number 10. So this is our final example. Here I want to discard my both standard error and standard out. So here what I am going to use, I am going to use combine. So here you can see I am combining the both standard error and out. So you can see here greater than an amber symbol will combine both the standard error and standard out, and this is for standard out and standard error. Let me execute this command and see I am getting the both the kind of result, like one is standard error, standard out. Now I want to truncate both the result. Let me execute. Yeah, you can see here I'm not getting any result. So using this any one of the command we can achieve our result. In this video we have learned about Unix and Linux shell in and out redirection. The same has been available in the download description link. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.